How are you, Amelia West? Thank you for coming in today. I just have a few questions to ask you before we bring you aboard. My first one being, do you like working in a team or by yourself?
I've worked in both situations. I've worked in both a team and a team and individual setting. I like both of them because in a team you can bounce ideas off of each other and you can kind of work with each other to try to find the best idea that will work with the group, and also alone because you can set your own goals and you're not really relying on anyone.
That's awesome. We are a team-oriented place here. Could you give an example of when you've worked in a team?
Sure. When I was in college, I did this apprentice project, and we had to create an ice cream. We had to create an ice cream flavor that would fit our potential customers, and we had to do a lot of market research. We had to collaborate with each other to find what we thought would be the best flavor for that research that we did. We had to also do a professional presentation, which we had to work together to put on, and we actually did very well on the project working together.
That's excellent. What is a weakness that you have, and how do you plan on improving upon it?
A weakness that I have is that I feel like I'm too nice with people who are in positions ahead of me. I don't know how to say no to them, so I take on a lot of projects at once. I don't. I put too much on my plate and then I can't get it all done. Something that I can work on is that I can not say yes to everyone and make sure that I get one project done before another so I don't pile too much on my plate.
That's good. And what motivates you as an individual?
Something that motivates me is being very happy in what I'm doing, and I like being in a competitive environment. When I'm in a competitive environment, I feel like you're pushing each other to do the best that you can, and then you also with incentives, it's nice to be pushed with each other with the incentives.
And my last question for you is, well, not really a question, but could you describe a situation in which you've been a leader?
Sure. I was captain of my cheerleading team at Plymouth State for my junior and senior year, and I was that go-to person that everyone went to when they had an issue, and my team kind of looked at me as a role model, and I feel like I had to be that person who was there if the coach wasn't. And there was a situation in which one of the girls on my team got a mental block, and my team looked to me to help her because they figured that I was the one that could help her the best.
That's an excellent story. Do you have any questions for me at this time?
I do not.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.